Question number 14 of exercise 6.3. Question is like that. Find the equations of the tangent and normal of curve given by y is equal to x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at 0, 5. So suppose it is curve and curve that is y is equal to this one, point is suppose 0, 5. They have asked to find a line which is tangent to this one, that is which touches this one. This is tangent to the curve, and if we draw a line perpendicular to that tangent is called normal. So we have to find the equation of this tangent as well as normal. For this one we need first the dy dx given y is equal to x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. Differentiation of y with respect to x we have to find. So here if we use d dx, there also we have to use x to the power 4. If we differentiate, it will give 4x cube minus 6. X cube if we differentiate, it will give 3x square. Similarly, 13x square differentiation is 2x. 10 differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of 5 is 0. Here actually we have used that formula, d dx of x to the power n is equal to nx to the power n minus 1. So suppose x to the power 4 if we put, then it will give 4x cube. Like that we have done these things. So it is actually what? 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10 at 0, 5. 0, 5 means x equal to, we have to put 0, y is equal to 5. As there is no y term, so we will replace only x equal to 0. So 4 into 0 cube minus 18 into 0 square, 26 into 0 minus 10. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0. We will get only minus 10. Okay, now we will calculate the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent, we know that is a formula y minus y1 dy dx at the point x1 y1 into x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is this point, that is 0, 5, this point. So here x1 is 0, y1 is 5. So if we replace y1 by 5, dy dx by minus 10, x1 is 0, then this equation will give us 5 minus 10x as equation of tangent. Now equation of normal, its formula is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy dx into x minus x1. I think other formulas also there, but this formula and that formula if we use, it is easy to remember. So that's why I have used this one. Then equation of normal as it is, y minus, here y1 is 5 minus dy dx, it is minus 10, x minus 0. So we get minus minus, it is plus, cross multiplication, 10y minus 50 is equal to x. So we can write it nicely, 10y minus x minus 50 equal to 0 is the equation of normal. So that is the way how we can find the equation of tangent and normal of a curve. Now another equation that is important for examination point of view, that is if we consider question number 23, prove that the curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k. two curves given, cut at right angles. Curves cut at right angles means they are tangent. If we draw the tangent of this curve at some point, and at that point, that is at the point of intersection, if we draw the tangent of this one, both will makes 90 degree. Suppose x equal to y square, if suppose it is this curve, xy is equal to, suppose for example, for just for understanding this one, this is our x equal to y square and this is xy is equal to k. If we consider these two curves, this is point of intersection. Now at this point of intersection, if we draw a tangent, and at the point of intersection, if we draw another tangent of this curve, if both are 90 degree, tangents are 90 degree, remember, then we can say curves also cut at 90 degree, that is right angles. They said that will be 90 degree if 8k square is equal to 1. Okay, so see how we will prove this one. From this x is equal to y square, if we differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, definitely in the both the sides, so d dx and dy square dx, we will get this one as 1, this one as twice y dy dx. So we will mark this one as equation number 1. Now from second equation, xy is equal to k, if we differentiate, we will get y dx dx u into v form plus x dy dx is equal to dk by dx. This is, if we take this one as a u, this one is v, formula is differentiation of u v with respect to x is v du dx plus u dv dx. We are using that formula here. So y plus x dy dx is equal to 0. So we will get dy dx as minus y by x. This is our equation number 2. Here little modification we will do. Dy dx we can write as 1 by twice y. We will mark this one as equation 1 instead of that one for our easy calculation. Since curves cut at right angles, it is given condition that they cut at right angles, then slope of the tangent of this curve into slope of tangent of that curve should be what? Multiplication of these two will be minus 1. Therefore 1 by twice y, that is slope of that curve, slope of tangent of that curve into slope of tangent of our second curve, that is minus y by x, that should be minus 1. So we will get, we can cancel y, we will get, and 1 by twice x is equal to 1. Minus minus we can cancel, y we can cancel, we get this one. Now we can replace x from this. So we can write x as 2 into ky y is equal to 1. It is from xy is equal to k. Also we will replace this y from that one. Here y square is needed, so we will write y square by 4k square is equal to 1, squaring both the side. Then we will replace numerator by this 4k square is equal to 1. It is x is equal to y square will give. Again we will replace x by this, and we can get x is again we can write as k divided by y. 4k square is equal to 1. From this one you see that we get k, that is if we cancel then it is 1 by 1 divided by 4k y is equal to 1. Then again from these two we will write as replacing y again. We can another thing we can do, if from these two, if we suppose if we write x in terms of y, suppose xy is equal to k. So if we replace here y, x is y square, y is equal to k, we get y cube is equal to k. Then ultimately from there only, if we replace y cube, then it is easy. From here also we can do, that is this line can give. So to make our calculation easier, instead of going, or from here also we can use, so it will give 1 by 4k is equal to y cubing, we will get, that is 4k gives our actually it is cube, that is 64 k cube is equal to y cube. So ultimately after calculation we will get k, so 1 by 64 k cube is equal to k. So last part, so better I will show from here y cube, that is you see y is equal to twice k, y cube is equal to 2 cube is 8k cube, y cube is k, so 8k cube is equal to k, so 8k square is equal to 1. You can use both the way. So again I want to repeat that we can go from here to here or from there. I think it is easier, so it is proved.